Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use your home Wi-Fi from anywhere. Setting up remote access to your home network offers incredible flexibility and security. Imagine accessing your files, streaming your media, or even controlling smart home devices when you are hundreds or thousands of miles away. This capability transforms how you interact with your digital life, providing peace of mind and convenience. We will explore the key methods to achieve this, ensuring your data remains private and secure. One of the most robust ways to access your home Wi-Fi remotely is by setting up a virtual private network server. This involves installing specialized software on a computer or a dedicated network-attached storage device within your home network. You will then need to configure your router to forward specific ports, typically port 1723 for PPTP or port 1194 for OpenVPN to your VPN server. Remember to use strong, unique passwords for all user accounts. Since most home internet connections have dynamic IP addresses that change periodically, a dynamic DNS service is crucial. This service maps a memorable host name to your ever-changing home IP address, ensuring you can always find your network. Additionally, you must adjust your router's firewall settings to permit incoming VPN connections. For optimal performance, especially when streaming or transferring large files, aim for an upload speed of at least 10 to 20 megabits per second from your internet service provider. Once your home VPN server is ready, the next step is to install the corresponding VPN client software on your laptop, smartphone, or tablet. You will then use the hostname and credentials you set up earlier to establish a secure connection to your home network. Always prioritize security by using strong encryption protocols like OpenVPN or WireGuard. Enabling two-factor authentication for your VPN access adds an extra layer of protection, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized entry to your private network.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.